Hello students, in this video we will solve question number 7 of exercise 11.1. So here we are given a chord of a circle of radius 12 centimeter, subtends an angle of 120 degrees at the center. Find the area of the corresponding segment of the circle. Okay, so again we are given this circle. Okay, कॉर्ड ऑफ अ सर्कल ऑफ रेडियस. रेडियस हमें पता है और हमें ये एंगल पता है. ठीक है, दिस इज़ 120 डिग्रीज. वी नो द रेडियस 12 सेंटीमीटर एंड 12 सेंटीमीटर. We have to find the area of the segment, basically this area, right? We have to find this area. So उसके लिए सेक्टर का एरिया तो we will easily find. हमें फॉर्मूला पता है, तो हमें ये ट्राइंगल का एरिया निकालना पड़ेगा. उसके लिए हमें ये परपेंडिकुलर का वैल्यू निकालना पड़ेगा पहले. ठीक है, एंड देन बेस का वैल्यू निकालना पड़ेगा. सो वी हैव ड्रॉन दिस परपेंडिकुलर टू ए बी. लेट्स नेम इट पी. let's name this point P. Okay, now OP is perpendicular to AB. Okay, and since we know OA is equals to OB, it will bisect the angle as well as the chord AB, right? So we know that AP is equals to PB because perpendicular drawn from center will bisect it. Okay, now in triangle OPB, OPA or OPB, whichever one you want to take, we know that OP upon OA is equals to cos 60 degrees, because if you consider this as a perpendicular and this as your main angle, this as your main angle because this is bisecting this angle also, so you will get your base as OP and your hypotenuse as OA, right? अब cos 60 degree का value we all know half, then we can easily find the value of OP because we know the value of OA, so OP will be 6 centimeter. Now similarly we will find the value of your AP. Okay, we will find the value of AP using sin 60 degrees. Sin 60 degrees would be AP upon OA. Sin 60 degree का value is √3 upon 2 is equals to AP upon 12. So AP is going to be 6 under √3 centimeters, right? So now need to find the total length of the chord is 2 times AP because it is bisected, so you'll get 12 under √3 centimeter, right? So we can easily find the area of triangle AOB, that is half. Base का value is 12 under √3 and perpendicular का value is 6, right? So 2 3s are 6, so we get 36 under √3 centimeter is the value of our triangle. Centimeter square is the value of the triangle. Now area of segment is what? Area of sector minus this value. Now area of sector solve करते हैं. रेडियस हमें गिवन है 12. Okay, so this will be 3 and then we'll have 3 4s are 12 and 1 12 as it is. So we get 48 pi minus 36 under √3. So I'll just leave it at this point. If you want, you can solve it till the very end, putting the value of pi and under √3. Okay, so in question they have asked, so if you put it, you will get approximately 88.44 centimeters square. Okay, so if you solve it completely, you will get this value.